Welcome back. In this session, we are going to simulate this scenario. Same one, the change is in distribution. Now go to SAP, create a purchase requisition. I will keep this screen as it is. ME51N. Here account assignment category K, quantity 100. Click on this one, select this by percentage, copy this, copy these two, cost center and GL, press enter, enter price 10, change this to 9, simulate. Now save this. Copy this PR 371. Go to ME21N. Click on document overview on my requisitions. Select the first one. 371 is created for testing. See here, distribute proportionally. Ensure this one. Now check for consistency issues. Save this. Now next step is to release a purchase order. Sorry, ME29N. So you approved this PO. Next step, MIGO. Goods receipt. Here enter 70 quantity. Item is okay. Check. Press enter. Post this. Now you will see the difference. Go to display document. Document info. See, document got posted here. How system adjusted this? Based on the percentage. 350, 175, 175. Because we received only 700 here. 70%. See, right now 500, 250, 250. This is 350, 175, 175. Same entry is posted here. 350 for this cost center, 175, 175. Now in previous case, system posted like this. Based on sequence, it adjusted 500 to first one, balance to the second one. Hope you understand the difference between these two scenarios. The rest of the steps, invoice verification, same concept. If you want, you can go and do this invoice verification. Hope you like this course. Please don't forget to write a review for the course. Thank you.